Variables are containers for storing data values. Imagine that you want to store someone's name in the memory and use it in future. Or you want to store someone's age and so on. In Java, there are different types of variables. For example, string stores text, such as hello Java. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Int stores integers or whole numbers, without decimals, such as 69 or -69. Float stores floating point numbers, with decimals, such as 69.69 or -69.69. Char stores single characters, such as x. Char values are surrounded by single quotes. Boolean stores values with two states, true or false. We will talk about different type of variables later. But let's see how we can declare a variable in Java. To create a variable, we specify first the type of variable, for example string. Then we have to give a name to this variable as a label. This name is also called an identifier. Identifiers can be short names, like X and Y, or more descriptive names, age, sum, total volume. It is recommended to use descriptive names in order to create understandable and maintainable code. And an equal sign to assign values to the variable. This is also called the assignment operator. This number is our initial value that we assign to this variable. Initializing a variable happened when we give it an initial value. We always have to initialize the variables before reading them. For example, here we are storing a string, let's say hello Java, and then we print it in the terminal. As you see there, the value of our message variable printed on the terminal. The value of a variable can also change after initialization. For example, here we change the value of the message variable to hello codemasters. When we print its value, we will see the new value, which is hello codemasters and not hello Java. We can also use the AND character to add a variable to another variable. I am going to declare two string variables here. One variable for first name and one variable for last name. Now I define a new variable which contains the first and second variable. I add these two variables here using addition operator. Let's print the full name variable in the terminal. And you see in the terminal, the printed value is John Myra. We can also copy the value of one variable into another. Here's an example. We have a variable here called my birthday which is equal 2000 and another variable called your birthday which is equal 2010. Now we copy the value of my birthday variable to your birthday. And now when we print your birthday, we will see that the value of your birthday is also 2000. And now the general rules for constructing names for variables. Names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Names should start with a lowercase letter. Names cannot contain white space. Names can also begin with dollar and underscore. Names are case sensitive. Reserved words, like Java keywords, such as int or boolean or void, cannot be used as names. So, this is all about declaring and initializing variables. In the next tutorial, we're going to talk about various types in Java. If you like to get new updates, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. You can ask your questions or share your idea in the comment section or in the channel community.